How to free up disk space on Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily free up your disk space on your Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So first thing what you want to do is just press Windows and R on your keyboard and simply searching for temporary folders, which is the short form, that is temp, and just delete all of these files from over here. So these are the temporary files stored and taking up space for no reason. You can easily delete them and have no side effect absolutely. And once you do that, you can again search in for percentage temp percentage, and once you do that, just delete the file in the same way you delete it for the temporary files. And once again, just head over to your keyboard and press Windows plus R and search in for prefetch, and make sure your spelling is correct, and just delete all of these files from over here as well, which will end up saving a lot of space for you. And finally, just head over to this PC button over here and under your local disk C, or you can also do it separately for every single disk, and just click on this disk cleanup from over here by simply tapping on its properties. And you can basically choose any of these options. You can also check if you want all of these options, like such as recycle bin or the optimization files or cache files. You can check all of these and simply click on OK to make sure of space. And once you do all of that, just head over to your task manager by simply right clicking on this Windows option over here at the bottom of your screen, and just head over to your startup option and just disable any of the high RAM taking using applications. And finally click on this or search in for add or remove programs from search bar, and simply locate the applications which you no longer required, or large applications in general which you not required anymore, and simply uninstall every single one of them from over here, just like this. And once you do all of that, your issue regarding your space should be fixed. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.